Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Capacity and Taskade. So you get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms. Help you decide which of these AI note-taking platform would be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started, Capacity is designed to be a second brain, letting you connect and visualize knowledge in a flexible, network-like way. It lets you create rich notes, link related ideas, and view your information as interconnected component. Capacity is perfect for people who want a deep, personalized knowledge base, a place to grow, connect, and explore their thought over time. So if you love organizing knowledge and seeing relationship between your note, Capacity is a powerful match for that. Then Taskade, on the other hand, focus on combining task, collaboration, and note in a unified workspace. So it lets you outline projects, track goals, create to-dos, and collaborate in real time alongside with your team. So you need a tools to merge task management with note-taking and a team's collaboration. Taskade is a strong contender if you want a rich knowledge base for yourself, and Capacity shines if you need if you need a collaborative hub for your teams, project, and goal. Taskade might be your best match in 2025. And that's it.